In this video, I will explain a method for chain generation of directed, unlimited, long texts where you can gradually change the topic in desired direction using GPT-2 or other language models by injecting hints. I devised this simple technique in the summer of 2021 while I was training a GPT-2 medium model on Colab. Indeed, thanks to viewers who subscribe to my channel from the GPT-2 video. If you like this kind of videos and support the channel, I may share more programming and research sessions. Hello, this is Todor, the universal man from Sacred Computer or Artificial Mind, one of the oldest research institutes in artificial general intelligence. I'm looking for partners, jack of all trades. It's supposed to be a big infrastructure for artificial general intelligence. Check it out. Today I will explain one method that I used in 2021 when I was training GPT-2 medium on Colab. Let's see the code. You're supposed to have experience with running GPT-2. You can see the source. You have to open it from some directory. First, there are functions for simple generations. You have to set the model parameters, length, beams, temperature, top K. We will not review these options here. And some lines for writing to disk. Generation of many sequences. It is a time-consuming process, especially if you are running the large model. You can run it even on a PC with the CPU, but it takes a lot of time. It may take a minute, as long as you have enough RAM. I think 19 gigabytes or something for the large or the extra large model. So sample prompts, which I have run after different amounts of training and with different parameters to see how they change. But this is still not the core of this video. A tool function for splitting sentences. And now to the point. You have feeds, characters, locations, topics, specifics. Feeds are just lists of lists. These are names, these are locations, cities. The text is in Bulgarian. Sofia, Bulgaria, Paris, France. These are verbs. Go, arrive, depart, TV set, a car, rakia, an airport, an airplane, the length of the generation, a file where all the generated sequences are stored, and these feeds are mixed. You take words from different buckets and combine them in a sentence. You measure the length of this injection, that this will be the initial injection to the generative model. You prepare the model, you generate, and when you generate, you remove the hint. Here is the trick. You suggest the model with the prompt. However, after generation, you remove the suggestion from the output. So the reader doesn't see explicitly from where the imagination of the model comes. So this is stored to the output, and you again add another feed. You select other words from the preset lists, and also here some connecting words are added: for, or to do, because, when, and end sentence. And then you repeat, possibly with other parameters of the model. Take the generation, trim the hint, etc. This is a more advanced version with more steps. It should be made more flexible, of course, with maybe with recursion, etc. This is just a proof of concept, a quick hack. Here with other topics, with more connection words: to, because, big, small, pretty or good, and, but, if, with, without. These words make the hint more varying and more a real sentence. These words are selected with random choice. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos and on GitHub. Bye.